Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBird143. You are watching Google Classroom tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create quiz assignment in Google Classroom. Suppose if you want to conduct a quiz to your students, no need to set up anything. It is very easy to do in Google Classroom. Come to Google Classroom, open the class, come to classwork and click on create. From the drop-down menu, please select quiz assignment. Then Google automatically create a blank quiz using Google Forms. Enter title and instructions for the student. Now let's prepare the quiz. Click on blank quiz. Enter a title and description. After that, click on untitled question. In right side, click on the down arrow. Here we can select the type of the question we want to add. We can select a short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, linear scale, multiple choice grade, tick box grade, and so on. First, I want to select a multiple choice. Enter a question. After that, we need to mention the options. Hit enter to get second option field. Again, hit enter. After adding all the options, we need to mark the correct answer. Click on answer key, select the correct option. Also set the points for this question. Click on done. And to add the second question, we need to click on add question option and follow the same procedure to prepare the questions. And we need to select the correct answer and also set the points. Like this, we can select different question styles and prepare a required quiz. For this question, I want to give 2 points. After adding all the questions, we can also select which question need to be in this quiz. For this, select each question. Move the slider to right side to enable this question in this quiz. Again, come to assignment. Automatically, it will be saved our questions in this blank quiz. Next, please select the class and students. I want to select all the students. Points, no need to mention here. Already we have assigned in the quiz. Select the due date. Select the topic if required. After that, finally click on assign. That's it. We have successfully created quiz assignment in Teachers Google Classroom ID. Now let's check how it will be displayed from student side. Open the classroom. On the home page, we will get a notice regarding this quiz. If we want, we can click on it here to open. Otherwise, they can come to classwork and click on the quiz. Click on view assignment. Again, click on quiz 1. Now it is showing the questions and its option. Let's answer the question. After answering for each question, finally we need to click on submit. Response submitted and assignment marked as done. One thing remember that no need to prepare score sheet manually. If the student want to view the quiz score, he can click on view score and it is showing the student got 3 out of 4. And also notice that he can evaluate the answers right or wrong here itself. For wrong answer, it will show the correct answers below the options. Again, come to teacher site. In this Google Classroom edition, teacher cannot import student grades directly. So there is a way to check each student's performance. Come to the quiz. In response, we will get students' responses. We can export the scorecard directly onto the Google Sheet. And here it will show the question and the selected option of the specific student along with their score. Like this, we can create quiz assignments in Google Classroom. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.